everybody to another video. I'm finally back in front of the camera here on YouTube. The last video uploaded was a Copenhagen vlog, so if you haven't watched it, you can watch it. The link will be in the description box below. And today's video, as you can tell from the title, is gonna be an unboxing slash review slash styling video of the Bottega Veneta Quilted leather mules. Actually, the unboxing was done before, so it's already online on my Instagram and the link is in the description box below. It's just a quick, simple video, so if you want to watch it first with my live reaction, opening the box and seeing the shoes and holding them for the first time in my hands, you can just pause the video and watch it and then come back. So here is the box. The shiny green Bottega Veneta box, which you have probably seen many times on social media, online. This is one of the most popular luxury brands at the moment, and yeah, I'm a huge fan. Not only because it's popular, just because it matches my style, my taste and my aesthetics very well. So I've been a huge fan of Bottega Veneta since Daniel Lee is the creative director of the brand, so in my opinion he has done an amazing job at Bottega Veneta, and I'm looking forward to see what he's designing for us in the future. So let's open the box. As I just mentioned, the unboxing was done already, so the link is in the description box below and you can watch it on my Instagram. So the first things is this little bag. I think there is just a description of the shoe, what it's made of, how to take care of it, and yeah, stuff like that. And then you have the branded dust bags. It's a very soft, thick cotton, so you have two of them for the shoes whenever you're traveling. And for me it's the best part about it, about the additional stuff that comes with the shoes, because I travel a lot. And when I'm traveling, I love to keep my shoes, especially my leather shoes, in bags. So that's there. And now let's have a look inside. So here they are, the beauties. The Bottega Veneta Quilted leather slip-ons slash mules. I've been looking to buy these shoes ever since I saw them in the, I think it was the pre-fall 2020 collection that I saw them for the first time in Bottega Veneta's lookbook, and I fell in love with it because of the quilted details, the chunky sole, and especially the color. If you know me, you know that I love beige and brown tones, the whole earthy color palette, and this is just perfect for me. It's like it was made for me. And also that's the reason why I'm wearing all black today, so that the contrast between me and the shoe is high enough so that you can focus on the shoe. And yeah, first impression, lightweight. I thought they were a bit heavier, but they are not. Feel very light in my hands. I think the sole is the same as the Bottega Veneta lug boots. The leather feels very soft, and yeah, it's just an amazing feeling to hold it in my hands, because this is actually a gray for me. I've been looking to buy this for such a long time, and I just didn't buy them because they were way too expensive, but then they were sold out everywhere and they weren't restocked on bottegaveneta.com or on other retailers. So I was looking for resellers and I couldn't find any in my size. My size in Bottega Veneta is actually 42, and I sized down because I'm normally 43, the same what I did with almost all my leather shoes. So that's just for your information. They're also very comfy. The only thing is that this part is a bit tight. I don't know if you can see it properly. This part is a bit tight, so it hurts just a little just next to the ankle. But that's fine, I think it's gonna get softer the more often I wear them. But yeah, first impression, amazing. Quality feels top notch, like always with Bottega Veneta pieces. And actually those shoes are amazing because they go almost with everything that I have in my wardrobe, and that's the best thing about spending money on such an expensive pair of shoes. You need to know that you are able to wear it a lot and they're comfy and that the money was worth it for you. And now I'm going to show you how they look like on foot, and just one outfit that I quickly styled with those, because this isn't a proper styling video. I just want to show you my first impression in a simple outfit that I wore with those shoes. And also another reason why I bought those shoes and why I was so in love with them is because I don't have any type of shoes that are similar to those. I'm always looking for pieces that are different and can elevate my style but also go well with everything that I already own. So that's something you should always keep in mind. Do I like it because it's amazing or popular, or does it also go well with my personal style and my wardrobe? So keep that always in mind whenever you're spending a lot of money on shoes or items, so that you don't regret it in the end. Yeah, if you really want to buy a designer piece, save up. Don't buy so much stuff that you're not really in love with it. I can tell you from my experience that it's way more rewarding and worth it if you save up and stop spending money on things you're not really in love with, that you just think, oh, that's cute, I can wear this then and then, but you end up not wearing it as much. So with this pair of shoes, I know I'm gonna be wearing it a lot, so it's definitely worth the money for me, for myself. And yeah, that's just something I wanted to mention. Okay, that was just a quick one, but I still hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the shoes. Let me know your thoughts on the shoes and on this video in the comment section down below. I would love to hear your opinion. And one thing I forgot to mention is that those shoes are sold out everywhere. But in case I find a link for you, I'm gonna leave it in the description box below. And I also wanted to mention that those shoes have a crazy resale price. So I've seen them for 2 and 3K all over on Depop, on Vinted and on Grailed. So yeah, I could actually sell them and make some money of it, but that's not the goal. That's not why I bought them, to make just some quick money. I honestly love the shoes and I'm very excited to wear them and to style them. I think I will be able to wear those shoes a lot and I'm gonna take care of them. And yeah, if you want me to do a styling video of those shoes with more ways to style them, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, as always, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're not following me on Instagram already, make sure to do so. The link is in the description box below. It feels good to be back here on YouTube. I'm gonna try to be more consistent, that's what I always say, but yeah. I'm back and I hope to see you guys soon, and thank you so much for watching and taking the time. Bye guys!